Are you looking to secure your financial future and enjoy the retirement that you deserve? Today we're going to reveal some of our favourite equity release providers here in the UK. Before we get into the details, let's first understand what equity release is all about. Equity release is a method of borrowing where you can use your property as security. It's available to individuals aged 55 and above, allowing them to unlock a tax-free lump sum that can be used to fund retirement or improve their quality of life. But hold on. Before you consider taking an equity release loan, it's crucial to seek financial advice and choose lenders authorised and regulated by the FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority. Safety and compliance should always be your top priority. Now let's delve into how equity release actually works. Homeowners can access their home equity through a lump sum payment or a drawdown loan. Unlike traditional loans, you don't have to make monthly repayments with interest. Instead, the repayment is made as a single payment when you pass away or when you move into long-term care. You might be wondering how such a substantial debt is repaid in one go. Well, when the homeowner dies or moves into care, the property is sold and the proceeds are used to pay back the lender. Any remaining money is either returned to the homeowner or added to their estate if they've passed away. Sounds like a fantastic deal, right? But there's a catch. Equity release plans can come at a steep cost, often doubling the original amount borrowed or even more. This means the amount you leave behind for your loved ones can be significantly diminished. If you have children relying on a substantial inheritance, equity release can be a difficult decision to make. Now let's explore two types of equity release options available in the UK. The most popular option is called a lifetime mortgage, where you receive a lump sum or a drawdown loan charged with a fixed interest rate. The debt grows over time and is repaid from the sale proceeds of your property when you pass away or you move into care. The second option is a home reversion plan, which is a less commonly used option. With this plan, you receive a cash lump sum or a drawdown loan without any interest charged. The loan is repaid after your death or when you move into care, similar to a lifetime mortgage. Is there a best type of equity release then? Well, it depends on your personal circumstances and preferences. Lifetime mortgages are more popular due to the debt growing gradually over time, while home reversion plans involve an immediate reduction in your property's value. It's crucial to consider factors like interest rates, repayment terms, and any special clauses that align with your future plans. Remember, no one-size-fits-all solution exists when it comes to equity release. Now the big question, who are our favourite equity release providers? Well, there isn't a single answer because each provider offers different terms and conditions beyond the interest rate. It's essential to carefully consider your individual needs. For example, if you plan to downsize in the future, you'd want an equity release provider that includes a downsizing clause. This would allow you to move to a less valuable home and pay off a portion of your loan without incurring early repayment charges. Additionally, it's recommended to choose a provider who is a member of the Equity Release Council, the ERC. Their rules provide additional peace of mind and guarantee to homeowners, such as the negative equity guarantee, protecting you from paying any debt not covered by the sale of your property. Let's now highlight some of the best equity release providers in the UK. Remember, this information is accurate at the time of publication, but it's essential to conduct your own research and consider other lenders as well. One Family, known for excellent customer service, they offer downsizing options and fixed-fee equity release advice. Aviva, a reputable company offering lifetime mortgages, but be aware of their higher early repayment charges. More to Life. If you value flexibility, they provide equity release plans with downsizing clauses and low-cost name additions or removal. Nationwide, one of the few banks offering lifetime mortgages. They have competitive options and even provide cashback to successful applicants. Pure Retirement, a specialist equity release company with great customer service reviews and a focus solely on these products. Are you considering the alternatives to equity release? Downsizing is a popular option among seniors, selling your current home and moving into a smaller and less valuable property which can generate funds for retirement and other purposes. Keep in mind that downsizing might not be suitable for everyone, and it's always important to weigh the pros and the cons before making any decisions. Remember, a lifetime mortgage is a significant financial commitment, and you should carefully consider the impact it may have on your estate and any means-tested benefits. If you're interested in seeing if you could release equity, then simply click the link in the description below and fill out the short form. It contains a few simple questions like your property value and your date of birth, and it will give you access to quotes tailored to your circumstance. It's totally free to fill out, and of course it won't affect your credit score. So click the link in the description below and fill out a short form to try it out.